Hello guys, this is Moneymaker001. In this video, we'll be discussing about what are the current problems which are happening in Redbubble in the current times. So this is something which is really important, and the information is very crucial for those who are trying to get some sales on Redbubble or who are going to upload their art to Redbubble. As a Redbubble seller myself, I have to share this information with you. So there has been some problem with the Redbubble algorithm, due to which it has been promoting a lot of copyrighted designs on its trending section. So this is one of the major problem which is happening with Redbubble, as well as there is one another problem which is tag spamming. A lot of people are doing this and they are trying to rank their design, and this has been a very big problem on Redbubble. Now the thing is that Redbubble needs to find a solution for this problem, and there have been a lot of YouTube creators who are creating content about Redbubble have reported this and also have made video about this topic. And this is something which is very important. We are all creating this videos so that some of the videos or some of the message may reach Redbubble and they may take some action and they may remove those spammers out of their platform. Because if they are going to continue to promote spammers, then one day Redbubble will become such a place that no genuine seller or no genuine artist can sell its work on that particular platform. So this is something which is very important. And the thing is that many of my audiences, if you are using copyrighted designs or you are tag spamming, I highly request you to not to do that stuff and not spoil the platform. This is something which is really not at all good. If you are going to earn money for a long period of time or want to build some income for a long period of time, these methods may not work. Don't tag spam or don't upload copyright infringed designs to Redbubble. This is an important message which I wanted to share with you on this video. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.